Good morning, dear students of class 10th. Today we are going to discuss about the First World War. Dear students, in the 9th class you have already read the people of Europe were benefiting from the spread of industry and democratic ideas. They also benefited from the control they established over their colonies. But as the 20th century dawned, their government led them into a horrific war. We shall try to understand more about the developments that led the nation to get involved in this disastrous episode in the world history. You may have heard about wars, seen films about wars, and read about wars in the newspaper. In olden days, when two countries waged war, their armies fought each other on the battlefield. Their warriors, mostly men, rode horses and fought each other with bows and arrows, spears, lances, and other such weapons. The victorious army would loot and pillage the villages and towns of the defeated country, carrying away and enslaving the women and children. Today we are going to talk about the First World War. First of all, as you know, there were two groups between any war. In the First World War also there were two groups. In first group there were three countries. First Germany, second Austria-Hungary, and third Turkey. In first group, Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Turkey. On the other side, Britain, France, Russia, and United States of America. And Italy also joined in second group. The First World War was fought between August 1914 to November 1918. Why do we call it a world war? There were many battles were fought in olden times, but why this war is known as First World War? There is a reason. All European countries fought in the First World War, with America joining it in 1917. But the impact was felt not just across the two continents, but across almost the entire world. This was because the European country deployed the people and resources of their colonies in all the continents of all battle fronts. For example, lakhs of Indian soldiers fought in the British Army. How did the First World War begin? Now we are going to talk about the how did the First World War begin, and this is also called the immediate cause of the First World War. A minor incident led to the outbreak of the war. Austria-Hungary wanted to annex its small neighbor Serbia. ऑस्ट्रिया-हंगरी यूरोप में एक कंट्री है जो अपना छोटा सा पड़ोसी देश सर्बिया को अपने देश में मिला लेना चाहता था. दिस एंगर्ड द नेशनलिस्टिक सर्बियन पीपल. They wanted to teach their bigger neighbor a lesson as a warning. One highly patriotic Serbian citizen assassinated the Archduke of Austria and his wife at a प्लेस कार्डा साराजेवो इन जून 1914। जून 1914 की बात है। जैसे मैं पहले बताया कि ऑस्ट्रिया हंगरी क्या करना चाहता था, सर्बिया को अपने कंट्री में मिलाना चाहता था। तो सर्बिया के जो देशभक्त लोग थे, एक बहुत देशभक्त आदमी था, जिन्होंने क्या किया, ऑस्ट्रिया के राजकुमार और उसके वाइफ का मर्डर कर दिए साराजेवो में जून 1914 में। फिर ऑस्ट्रिया बहुत क्रोधित होता है एंड ऑस्ट्रिया लॉन्च्ड ए अटैक ऑन सर्बिया टू एवेंज द मर्डर। रसिया केम टू हेड ऑफ सर्बिया while Germany sided with Austria in ensuing battle। देखो, सबसे पहले कौन किस पर अटैक करता है? ऑस्ट्रिया launched an attack on Serbia। Why attack? To avenge the murder। ऑस्ट्रिया के राजकुमार का मर्डर सर्बियन लोगों ने किया था, उसका बदला लेने के लिए ऑस्ट्रिया ने सर्बिया पर अटैक कर दिया। फिर रसिया सर्बिया के हेल्प के लिए आ गया। किसके हेल्प के लिए आया? रसिया सर्बिया की मदद करने के लिए आगे आ गया। फाइल जर्मनी साइडेड विथ ऑस्ट्रिया, जर्मनी किधर आ गया? ऑस्ट्रिया की तरफ। ध्यान रखना है, रसिया सर्बिया के हेल्प के लिए सर्बिया साइड में आ गया, जबकि जर्मनी ऑस्ट्रिया साइड में। Soon, France, Britain and other country found themselves drawn into the war। फिर धीरे धीरे करके फ्रांस, ब्रिटेन, इटली सभी वार में इंगेज हो गए। Now, a question arises: why did all this country get involved in this conflict? There are many factors to fight the war। We will discuss all the factor or the causes one by one। First factor we have read the immediate cause, and second factor was the changing economy requirement of European country। Second factor, changing economic requirement of European country। They were all industrializing rapidly to there was intense competition among them to become the most powerful industrial nation in the world। As you read in the previous class, in the 9th class, the process of industrialization began in Britain, and by the close of 19th century, Germany was striving to become Britain's equal, with Austria, France, Italy and Russia also making similar attempt। सबसे पहले इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन कहाँ पढ़ा था हमने? इंग्लैंड में। उसके बाद धीरे धीरे करके जर्मनी ब्रिटेन के बराबरी करने लगा। उसके बाद फिर ऑस्ट्रिया, फ्रांस, इटली, रसिया सभी ऐसा प्रयास करने लगे। इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन रिक्वायर्ड मिनरल रिसोर्सेज। इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन के लिए क्या चाहिए? मिनरल चाहिए, लार्ज मार्केट चाहिए, कॉलोनी चाहिए। सो देयर वाज ए फायर्स कंपटीशन बिटवीन country to gain control of mineral rich regions in Europe and around the world। The older industrial country like Britain had already established their control over many such regions। जो सबसे पहला पुराना इंडस्ट्रियल कंट्री था ब्रिटेन, वो तो पूरे विश्व के अधिकांश एशिया, अफ्रीका में अपना कब्जा जमाया हुआ था। जो न्यूली इंडस्ट्रियलाइजिंग कंट्री थे वो क्या करते थे? ब्रिटेन से छीनना चाहते थे। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Germany attacked France in 1871 and captured the mineral rich Alaska Lorraine region। जर्मनी ने क्या किया? फ्रांस पर अटैक करके 1871 में फ्रांस का जो अलास्का लॉरेन का रीजन था, जो मिनरल रिच प्लेस था, उसको जर्मनी ने छीन लिया। फिर पोलिश टेरिटरी को भी अपने अंदर मिला लिया उन्होंने।